Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use your heated side view mirrors, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so as some of you may or may not know, the Model 3 actually has heated side view mirrors. And so maybe, in the morning when you get up and it's cold, like wintertime, you're going to have condensation in your mirrors. And maybe you don't have time to take a couple seconds and take a towel and wipe the mirror really quick because maybe you're in a rush or whatever in the morning when you're going to work. So what you can do is you can actually use the heated side view mirrors to do the same thing. It's just going to take a couple minutes, while you're on your way. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to heat up the mirror, and then basically that'll melt away the condensation, and then you'll be able to see. So all you need to do for that is just hit the rear defroster here, and it'll turn on the rear defroster, of course, but it also will turn on the side view mirrors, the heated side view mirrors as well. And so for the rear defroster, there's only heat. So whereas the front defroster has heat and cold. So that's all you need to do. Just turn that on, let it do its thing, and then after a few minutes, then you'll be able to see out of your mirrors because it'll, heat up the mirror, and then the water will just melt away, basically. Another thing you can do is actually do this from your app. So I think this would actually be really convenient as well. So say it's a cold morning and, the car is going to be all fogged up anyways, and you want to, walk into your car nice and toasty warm. So if you want to do that, and then also turn on the, side view mirror, so when you get into the car, all that condensation is gone as well. All you need to do is get into your app here, go to climate down here at the bottom, and then basically just turn climate control on, basically. So just hit that at the bottom there, and you'll notice it'll basically turn on everything. But if you notice, oh, that's so loud. So if you notice on the actual MCU, the rear defroster is on down here. So basically that'll tell you that the rear view mirrors are on, and then when you get in the car, the side view mirror should be nice and toasty warm, and all the condensation should be gone. So hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.